Freddie, 3 words to describe the core curriculum, the new core curriculum.
The new core curriculum in 3 words is Python, AI, and Pac-Man.
I think Pac-Man would have been one of mine as well.
Yeah.
You stole my third
Does
word.
it count? It's a hyphen. I don't know. Hi, I'm Freddie. I'm a Pedagogy manager here at 42 Berlin, and I take care of our curriculum, exams, our evaluation system, and our PCs.
And my name is Dan, and I'm the Pedagogy lead here at 42 Berlin. And I've been inside of the 42 ecosystem for almost 10 years now. So yeah, I have lots of experience with how the curriculum has been changing, updating over the years. And I'm really happy to be sharing this with you today.
So why the core curriculum has changed is a question that we can answer by stepping back one step and saying, okay, what is our mission at 42? And we want to train the next generation of software developers. To do that, we have to make sure that we align what we teach with what the industry needs right now. And that changed, so we need to change as well.
Exactly. The goal of 42 is to always iterate and adapt to what the market is doing and how the market is evolving. And we're actually very lucky compared to, say, a university, where processes are very slow. It takes a long time to change a curriculum. But at 42, we can iterate much faster on the curriculum. So the curriculum has already gone through 3 major updates since 42 first started in 2013. And this is just the next step to train the next generation of software engineers. So before talking about the differences in the old program and the new program, I think it's important to focus on what stays the same. And at 42, we are not changing our methodology. So we're still a peer-to-peer learning school. We're still a school where you learn by doing. So it's very much project-based. And it's still a curriculum that will teach you how to become a software engineer. So that's the baseline. We are not changing, in effect, how we're learning at 42. But maybe you can explain a little bit of content-wise,
yes.
What's changing technically inside the curriculum.
One segment of what you learn at 42 is coding and developing certain projects. And those subjects of those projects have changed. We replaced some of the older projects with newer projects, just updated a lot of them into a newer framework, into new languages, new programming languages, while keeping the identity of 42 with peer learning and power skills at the forefront, to make sure that we still provide a comprehensive software development education.
Exactly. So the beginning is still going to be in C. The PC, you still learn on C, focus on C. The first few projects as well are also going to be in that language. So that's a very low-level language where you're really learning the fundamentals of how to be a software engineer. And then as you start to progress in the curriculum, we've now introduced some new subjects, which will now be in Python. And these projects have maybe a slightly more algorithmic edge to them. And we've also introduced 3 new projects that deal with AI topics inside the curriculum.
Yes, of course, we can get into some more detail, where the curriculum before the change had a couple of projects related to system programming. Those are now moved to the advanced curriculum, still accessible for students, but not inside the core curriculum. And in the place of those, there were the AI projects added. Those are 3. They happen in different points in the curriculum. They start very early, and then you have one more advanced and one quite in the end, where you just learn to deal with the new requirements of working with AI, not necessarily in the form of coding with AI and coding assistance, but working with AI models in your project and building atop those. Some of the other projects have been modified and updated to just match the new language. With Python, you can deal with a lot more complex things more easier. So while we, again, stay true to our base in C at the beginning of the curriculum and build a strong foundation, the acceleration of learning throughout the curriculum gets a bit faster and the projects get a little bit more complex.
The core curriculum fundamentally hasn't made it more easy for students to enter the job market because they're still just as qualified once they finish the core. The slight difference is that we focus slightly more on languages that are more common to be used in entry-level jobs. What that means is that a student, when they go in for an interview, for example, they will already be onboarded to some of the themes and topics that they might encounter in that company. And that allows the company then to be able to see the skills of our students much faster than they did previously. Fundamentally, I don't think the core curriculum itself has changed so enormously that we are now producing, better or worse software engineers than we were before. I think that's something that's just been a constant throughout 42's history, which is we want to, the students who leave 42, they are ready to solve problems with code. And it doesn't really matter what framework that is, what language they're using, or how they're going to solve those problems. The goal is really that as a 42 student, you know how to overcome obstacles. And that's something that we're still doing with the new curriculum.
So that it's important to see that we are the main goal for all the projects at 42 is the learning. So when you outsource some of the project to an AI or to a coding agent, you skip a step of that learning. So students who realize that the outcome of your project and the result is not really the project itself that you coded, but the leap in skill that you made throughout, those will thrive a lot more. And yes, people use AI, and AI is a tool for coding and for software developers that is just here, and it's important that people learn how to use it effectively. And we follow a kind of 3-step approach throughout the curriculum, where in the beginning we say, don't use AI, it's just handicapping your learning and you will hinder yourself. And throughout, you will learn to use AI for some of the tedious tasks that you know now, but they would take a lot of effort and time, building documentation and unit tests. And later on in the last third of the curriculum, you can start using AI as kind of a colleague, a partner, a coding partner that takes care of some of the steps that are not as important for your learning. But the focus at 42 should always be maximize your learning.
Yeah, and I think something that helps with that as well is that all of our projects are purely pedagogical, right? So they don't really have a real world use case. Yes. In this context. So the stuff that students are building, they're not building it because they need to build it fast, they need to build it because there's revenue tied to it. They're building it purely for the purpose of learning. And I think what that really helps is that you will use less AI to replace that learning part, because the end goal at the end of the day is just to be able to learn for yourself. And most of our students don't make that shortcut.
Definitely. And there's so much more to a project than the coding part. There's the creative thinking, the problem solving, the collaboration, and all those things you should train, and those are muscles that you will build throughout the curriculum. With every project, those get better and better. And AI is not as good as replacing those. I went through the full curriculum at 42, and of course I might be a bit biased, but it is amazing. So if you want to learn how to code, and a lot more, because 42 is a lot more than just learning how to code. It's collaboration, it's creative thinking. You will see effects in all aspects of life, and that sounds catchy, but it is true. So come to us, do a PCN with us, get to know how we work and how the school works and our methodology. You have to experience it. We cannot really explain it that well, but it's really, really cool.
Yeah, I can only agree with that as well. I've also been a student of 42 myself and gone through the curriculum. And I think more than learning how to code, doing 42 and going through the curriculum, it actually taught me a lot more about myself and how I learn best and how I work best. I come up against an obstacle or something that I don't know how to solve, I can just launch into it. And at the end of the day, if I fail, it doesn't really matter as long as I learn from that failure and then move on and keep on going. And I think 42 and having all the peers around me at 42, all in the same spirit, really taught me how to drive forwards in my learning and my career.
Definitely.
So it was, definitely more than just learning how to code. 42 is for sure a school that can change you as well. We have our friendly duck here who wants to give you a little message. And what's the message it wants to pass on, Freddie?
The message is, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and just interact with our content. Thanks a lot.